Hey everyone, this is Ryan Hauser. Now I've been spending the last 18 years teaching hundreds of thousands of people how to make an online income, and what I've decided to do is a lot of my trainings that I have in my paid membership, I've decided to start releasing some of the trainings to you for free through this YouTube channel. So all you need to do is just like this video, subscribe to this channel, and then click that bell notification, and you can start getting trainings on how to generate an online income, and you're going to be getting quality, up-to-date training. The same trainings that I have in my paid memberships, that I actually use Vimeo as a video source because it just works a lot better. But I'm going to start uploading some of these now to YouTube and giving you access to them for free. So all you need to do is subscribe to this channel, click that bell notification so that you will get notified when I upload my next training. And then also just one more thing, once you are done subscribing and clicking that bell notification, if you want to access one of my memberships for free right now, you can just click the link in the description and create your own free online membership, okay? There's lots of valuable training in there as well. All right, so I look forward to helping you generate an online income, and we'll see you in another video.